You want me to give you uncle money?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
take all, take all. Let's go, let's go. Let's go for my friend. Let's go, let's go for my friend.
Na! Nangwalta na po si Intsik ko! Stop, 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 stop!
What happened? You say far.
The house of your friends is there!
Lah, kinsa mo na murag kaila.
Oh.
Lah, Oscar! Tay kasal.
The location. Where is it, the location? Oh. Give me the location for my friend. Oh, maybe I lost. Oh, this guy. Oh, I'll ask him. What the problem?
Uy, kini! Patulong yun sa kuha ba?
How are you, my friend?
O sa tuyo ni mo?
Oh, I don't understand. Please, you know this, my friend?
Kaila magkuani! Layo man ni ila balay!
What are you say? I don't understand.
Kani ila balay, layo ni! Titoryo, unahan, unahan!
Oh, hulahan. Far? Far?
Yes, far, far! Gusto ka ato dito? Sabayan ta ka!
Yes, I want to go for my friend.
Sabayan ti ka, pero
What pero? What pero?
hatagi sa kukwarta!
Ah, money?
Yes, yes, money, money!
Money?
Oh,
Money how much?
5,000!
Ah, my friend, 5,000? Very expensive. 5,000? Oh,
Nangwalta na po si Intsik ko!
Na, grabe ginitawhan na ba? Pag naimungutan na, pangwartahan yun.
Tama dyan kami ko. Malo dyan kayo na Intsik kami ko, no?
Unsay maro? Perting marua.
Sa ako pala siya nang utana. Dili yung tanan siya makwartahan.
Ilumda, uto po ka. Ngwalta ka kagnaw.
Ha? Kaprehas na magod mong duhawan, unahan naman mong Intsik.
Gusto magha ni mo maadto imong friend. Hatag na kwarta.
okay. I'll give you the money.
Yes, yes, yes. Hatag na kwarta. Dali ah. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So, I give you the money. Can you go for my house, my friend? Now?
Dili pa, dili pa. Kulangan pa ni. Layo magunto ilaha balay.
What happened again? You want me to give you all my money? I give you all my money, you bring me for my friend? Okay, take all. Take all. Let's go. Let's go for my friend. Let's go for my friend.
Stop, 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 stop.
What happened? You say far.
The house of your friends is there.
Yeah? Oh, you take my money. You say far.
Atik raman to. Kwarta, kwarta. Nakailad ko ato na.